Modern Assembly. To make our day bright and beautiful, I'd like to call Moz for the clip.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير صدق الله العظيم.
For the beautiful sayings of Holy Prophet, I'd like to call Mamuna.
قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया इल्म हासिल करना हर मुसलमान पर फर्ज है.
Here for thought of the day. Today the thought of the day is knowledge is application like a seed that is never planted. For the informative speech, Hania is here, and for the short quiz, Usman will be.
Good morning everyone. Today I want to take you on a journey to the extremes of existence, exploring two truly fascinating states of matter. Do you know how many states of matter are there? Is it 1, 2 or 3? Well, actually there are 5 states of matter, including 2 more very fascinating states named plasma and BEC. Plasma, the fire of the universe. Do you know what are those shiny stars actually made of? The stars that we see in the sky are actually made of the 4th state of matter, plasma. It's created when gas is heated above 10,000 Kelvin, taking away electrons from atoms in this process called ionization. This leaves a superheated soup of free electrons and positively charged ions. Plasma is an ionized gas that's a fantastic conductor of electricity and highly responsive to magnetic fields. A few examples are thunder, lightning, and the fire of the stars. BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate, discovered by S.N. Bose and Albert Einstein. Now, let's travel to the opposite extreme. As I just mentioned, that plasma is extremely hot. Similarly, BEC is extremely cold, formed by cooling gas down to temperature near absolute 0 Kelvin. In this absolute cold, atoms stop acting as individuals. They all occupy the same quantum state, behaving as a single united entity. It's the ultimate collective. And today, we've explored plasma, the high-energy charged backbone of stars, and the Bose-Einstein condensate, the low-temperature unified collective. Thank you.
Question number 1. Who introduced BEC?
Einstein.
Correct answer. Question number 2. What is the 4th state of matter? Correct answer. Plasma. What states of matter did you learn today? What 2 states of matter did you learn today? Correct answer. Are stars a form of plasma or BEC? A star is a form of a plasma or BEC?
Plasma.
Correct answer. What is a supercool state? What is a supercool state? BEC, correct answer. At what temperature is a plasma formed? At what temperature is plasma formed?
10,000 Kelvin.
Correct answer. 10,000 Kelvin. Lightning is a form of what state? Lightning is a form of what state? Correct answer. Plasma. Universe's fire is Plasma, correct answer.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Now you people are charged. How are you? I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Thank you, grade 10 and Ms. Simon Asser for such an informative and lively assembly presentation. Thank you. Kindly give them a big round of applause. Thank you, all of you.